Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the Chroma key feature on CapCut PC. So Chroma keys are generally used for like green screen or blue screen, but to use it you're just going to get a green screen video. Just going to use this one. What even is this video? Oh, this is a coffin dance meme. Okay, I remember that. Anyways, if you go to remove background and select a chroma key, you can select the color picker. Select the color you want to remove. Obviously, we want to remove the green for this one. You can adjust the intensity of the chroma key here, and you can add shadows to it as well. And you can feather the edges if you have the Pro feature. Then to add in a background, you can either go to canvas or add in another video underneath it. Okay, apparently right now nothing's loading, so I'm just going to use background from this section. Like that. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.